friends, in this video I'm going to tell you more features about how to use YouTube Studio and how to customize your YouTube channel. So the first step is to open YouTube in any browser. So first do that. So you have to sign in. If you have not signed in, you have to sign in first. So first do that. So I have done it. I have signed in. So then now we have to open YouTube Studio. There are two ways. You can click on this icon right here near the notification symbol. There is one option called as YouTube Studio. You can either click that. It will directly go to your YouTube Studio, or you can click on your channel and then click on then it opens up a new tab type kind of thing. Then what you have to do is you have to click on customize channel. Then a new tab opens saying YouTube Studio. So it has opened. You can publish videos using this create option on top. So if you click on create, there are two options. There are go live and upload videos. You can upload videos using this. I use this, and go live is when you want to go live. This is channel trailer. I have added it over here. This is channel trailer. You can simply remove it by clicking on the three dots and click on remove video. Then if you scroll down, there are some options. Upload 16. So featured channels are when you want to add some new channels. Uploads, it is already given. If you want to add these kind of things, there is something called as featured sections. When you scroll down, you have to click on add section, and there are some options over here. If you want to add subscriptions which have you subscribed, you can do that also. And after you have done everything, you can just click on publish if you want to publish them. So if you want to view your channel, maybe you didn't open that, you can click on this icon like this, or you can click on view channel. It opens in a new tab. Then if you go to content, it will show you how many videos, those and all it will be. If you want to upload more than 15 minutes, you have to give your phone number and all of that. You can view on YouTube. It will open in another tab, comments, so you can see how many comments are there. This is analytics. So it's gonna come here like a bar graph kind of thing. So this is 48 days, 40 days, 32 days, like that. Then this is how you edit the details of it. You can even delete a video. You can click on delete forever and then a new title kind of thing. Then you have to click on I understand that deleting is permanent and can't be undone, and then delete forever comes. You can do that. Then the analytics, you can even do this. This is all the whole channel one. Instead of a video, this is the whole channel. Top videos, so there are some options. Last 48 hours, views last 60 minutes, updating live, that is automatically given. So if you go to the dashboard, there you can even see latest comments over here, and you can see some recent subscribers. You can click on see all, some nice things, and you can even see there, check out their channels. Then these are the latest video performance. There are some nice options over here. So comments, instead of doing that, you can even click on comments tab over here. Then there are some comments. So you can see all the comments over here. You can even reply, very nice. Okay, glad to hear that. You just click on this, the it just goes, the message just goes. So what is monetization is when you can get money. So they will say we have to need 4,000 public hours watched and 1K subscribers. So if you click on this, all those policies and all comes. You can add many like this thing and all. You can change profiles and some nice things. So to do that, you have to go to customization or here. Some options are there. So go to customization tab. Then the same thing opens. Yeah, on here there is many three tabs called as layout, branding and basic info. So when you go to branding, this is the profile. You can change it and choose a picture, or you can remove it by just clicking any. It will show you like this. So if you do, then if you want to publish the changes you have made, just click on this publish option over here. Banner image. So this is also called as channel art. Channel art is when you can see over here, right? Awesome computer tips and all. So that is channel art. And video watermark is the bottom corner over here. You can choose some display time, end of video, custom start. So there are some options in this also. Same same thing. You can change the over here this thing video watermark. You can even change it to your own profile picture, or you can put a please subscribe or something else also. And remove will have no watermark. The banner image also, if you click on remove, there will be no banner image. Banner image are good when it is looking. You can even change it directly from clicking on this, but again it will open in YouTube Studio, nothing big in that. And you can even change some pictures from here. And so you can add featured channels also. I will show you how to add featured channels. Layout, go to the layout tab and add section. Click on add section and click on featured channels. Then you can add some section title. That's not necessary, it's not very important. And you can choose search some channels over here. Then if you want to add about description and some links and so your email IDs and all, you can, it's easy. Just go to the channel customization tab, one more over here. Then go to the basic info tab on top. And this is channel description. If you want, okay, I think if you think that you want to change the name of your channel also, you can just click on this pencil type and then first name and last name you can choose. Channel description is where if you go to the about, you can see hello friends, that and all. Then you can, this is the channel URL. If you want to send your channel link, this is the copy option. Email address also you can. Now you can email as I'll show you what is this use. So we have typed it, right? So click on publish. You have to click on publish, or what the changes you have made are not going to publish. You can't see. Nobody is going to see. So click on publish, and then you can go to channel. I don't want to go now. So you can go to about, and so we have to open it actually. And this takes some time while working. The whole thing takes some time while working. I have noticed that when I did some things. Look, so in details down, this is the description and about tab. For business inquiries it comes, and when you click on view email address, my email comes over here. So there are some nice options in this. Then links is when you have some Instagram posts or something like that. So I don't have any links right now. Maybe I can add when I become more like. So if it'll ask discard changes, then if you want to discard changes, you don't want to publish them, you can just click on OK. That's it. Then there are some options called as audio library. There are these are songs actually, small songs. You can add them. You can add them uh, in your video you're making. You can add them. Playlists also you can. So the playlists are when you see in playlist tab over here. So the playlists are here. So there are some playlists I've created, like videos, some videos and all I've created. When you want them to be like everybody should see public people, you have to just click on this pencil. Then a new tab will open. Then you have to just, or here public is there, right? You have to click on that. And then you can choose private. I don't want to choose private. You can change the description. Like you can change. So this is like this. And this is not publish options and all. You can just click on save over here. I'm not going to save it. And you can see how many videos you have uploaded in the playlist also. If you want to upload any new video in the playlist, you can just click on this three dots over here and add videos. You have to click, and then you can choose any normal URLs from other channels and all. If you want to add your videos, you can just go to the your videos tab on top, and you can just click on that and you can click on add videos. I've already added that. So there are some options. You can create a new playlist by clicking create new playlist, or you can even do another way, and the other way is click on the three dots near the video, click on save to playlist, and click on create new playlist. That is another option. There are two ways you can create some playlist. To delete a playlist, same thing, or there you have to click on uh, edit in YouTube, the pencil option. Then go to the three dots and click on delete playlist. You can even add you can add to all videos. So I've created some playlist. You can check these out, and you can make some new things. Like when you go to playlist tab over here, I've created something called as check this playlist out. There are all the playlists. You can do this how by going to the customization, then click on add section, and over here you can add clicking on multiple playlists, created playlists. So you can just type good playlists, and then you can even choose any playlist, some another channel or anything. Your playlist, these are the public ones, you can't add the private ones. So if I choose this and click on done and click on publish, it's published. And I just wanted to tell you one more thing. Over here there is some numbers like 5 and 1, right? So that is how many videos you have added in this. Multiple playlists are when you add more. So you can do some things in this playlist. When you go, it will take some time, a few seconds. And videos is when you can see all the videos, and you can even sort it if you want. If you have many videos to search, you can't do that, right? So you can just click on the sort by option over here when you go to the videos tab and click on date added oldest. It comes in the other form, and you can even click on most popular. So some are there. You can even add thumbnails and all. Easy it is. I'll show you how to do that. So you have to just click on a video and then scroll a bit down and then click on edit video. And it opens again in YouTube Studio. So this is the description. You can even update it. You can even title also you can update it. So this is thumbnail. You can choose any other thumbnails. I'm gonna make some. And this is where you can take it like comments turn off. If you choose yes it is made for kids, it's gonna turn off the comments. You can choose this. And then this is called as cards. So I will show you this. So choose a time. You can choose anything. This is 30 seconds time. So if I want, I can just add zoom some playlist like click on the add button and I can choose all videos and then it comes suggested all videos. So let's see the time where I had set it 52 seconds. Okay. So this you have to click on save again. And end screens is good. End screens is when you at the last you find like a channel and a video also. So this is one video, one subscribe, two videos. Instead of the channel icon, you can choose that one video, one playlist, one subscribe. There are that options. So you have to do that always in the last. So I'll choose it. This is the end time. Then you will choose one video, one subscribe. So we can choose some videos and click on save. And all the changes you have made will be saved. And if you want to save everything, it will not be saved still only. Now it will just maybe half or something like that. You have to click on save. If you click on undo changes, all the changes you have made are going to get undone. So click on save. And if you want, you can check that video out again. So we added some things in 52 seconds, right? So this is added from Awesome Computer Tips all videos. So I said right, it will get added. And at the end screen is gonna get added like this. How to create an index in Microsoft Word. And the channel also. If you have any other if you didn't subscribe, you can just click on that and subscribe. So bye friends, I will be making videos like this. Please like, share and subscribe.